You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a pointer to your iPad. Let's get right into it. To get a pointer on your iPad, you need to connect an external accessory. This could be a trackpad, like the one built into the Magic Keyboard, which might already be connected if you're using that setup. You can also use the Apple Magic Trackpad, the Magic Mouse, or even a third-party Bluetooth mouse. As long as it's compatible, the iPad will recognize it and make the pointer appear automatically. Once it's connected, the pointer shows up on the screen and you can start using it right away. It works in a very familiar way, similar to what you're used to on a MacBook or a Windows computer. You can move it around, click, scroll, and navigate through apps. This makes using the iPad a lot easier, especially if you're doing tasks that require precision or multitasking. There are also customization options available if you want to adjust how the pointer looks and behaves. Open the Settings app, go to Accessibility, and then tap on Pointer Control. From there, you can change the size of the pointer, its outline color, contrast, scrolling speed, and more. These settings help you tailor the pointer to your needs and make it more comfortable to use. One thing that's worth mentioning, something people often ask, is whether you can change the shape of the pointer. For example, swapping the default circle for a classic arrow like on computers. As of the latest iPadOS version, that's not possible. It might be something Apple adds in the future, but honestly, I wouldn't expect it anytime soon. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this video helped you out, feel free to like and subscribe for more iPad tips and tricks. See you later.